Hi everyone. So I just wanted to make this quick video. Actually, I'm going to make a series of a couple videos so that each one's not very long. And this is for the Unit 1 exam. So I'm just calling this a study guide. So I wanted to go through a couple different types of problems that you will see on the Unit 1 exam so that this might help you before you get to those problems. So the first one that we're going to do is rewriting something in this form. So say you have the cube root of 8, and they want you to rewrite it using exponents. So you should remember that the cube root of something, you can actually write that also as an exponent using a fraction. So the cube root of 8 is the same as writing 8 to the 1/3 power. So that's how you would rewrite that. Let's look at another one. So if I had the 5th root of 16, and I wanted to rewrite that using exponents, I would write 16 to the 1/5 power because that 5th root is the same as an exponent of 1/5. And let's just do one more. So if I had the 12th root of, say, 245, I could rewrite that as 245 to the 1/12 power. So those are just a few examples of how you can rewrite these using exponents. If they wanted you to actually simplify something, so this is just rewriting it using exponents. So another problem you might see on your test would be simplifying something. So say they give you like the square root of 100 and they want you to simplify it, not just rewrite it, but actually get a more simple answer. So you're going to have to break up 100 using like a factor tree. So since I know 100 is even, I'm going to start by going 100 is the same as 2 times 50. And then I'm going to break up 50. I know 50 is the same as 2 times 25. And I know 25 is the same as 5 times 5. And now I have this in that prime factorization. These numbers are all as simple as they're going to get. And since this is a square root, I'm looking for pairs of 2 that I could pull out. So I have a 2 times 2. So that would come out as just a 2 coming out of the square root. I also have a 5 times 5. So that comes out of the square root as just a 5. So the square root of 100 is just 10. So let's do another one like that to simplify. Let's do the square root of 162. So again, I'm going to break this up using like a factor tree. I know it's even, so I'm going to say that's 2 times 81. And then 81 I know is 9 times 9. And 9 I know is 3 times 3, and this 9 is 3 times 3. So I have it broken up into 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Since this is a square root, I'm looking for pairs of 2 that I could pull out. So I know I can pull out this pair of 3s, which comes out as just 3. I can pull out this pair of 3s, which comes out of the square root as just a 3. And now I have this 2 still inside. It didn't have another pair to go with it, another partner. So that's still under the square root symbol. So on the outside, I can simplify 3 times 3 is 9. And I still have the square root of 2. So that's my final answer. That's as simple as you could make that. So I'm going to stop this video right now, and I'll make another one for the next few questions.